From the Auto3P Horizon dashboard, we can always go and see some more information about the entity and the user of this entity. Clicking on this link above will bring us to the profile menu. In the profile menu, we can see a lot more of information about the entity. Starting from the employee, the person, the demo owner in this case, with its details, some more employees if there are any, relation to a group, and the access, permission. In another tab we can see the details of the entity. Again, we have the details of the entity, the branches and the employees of this entity, of this company, the group relations, and the access permission. Moreover, we can see some information about the trader for this entity. We can see the connected trader, the suppliers that this entity is connected to, and we can see also the billing details and reports of this customer, in this case this company. So we can see the details of this customer, the current usage, and for each service what is the local and the current counter that we can see over here. There are also some possibility of administrative actions, like if we go to the person employee tab, we can see that we have some buttons over here on this menu. For example, update or details about this entity, about this employee that we can change or modify. In this case, we don't have this permission, so it's disabled. We have the permission to set our login. If we click on this button, Set Login, it will open the Set Login screen, and we can now change the login ID, the alias, or the current password to change it to a new one. There is another tool that we can use, and this is notifications tool. If we click on this button, we can set any notifications about any event that happens in the system by the internal mail and the external mail, the Outlook, for example. If I'm clicking on the new button, we can set the notification rules for these events. We have some kinds of types of events that we can choose from, like estimate message or trade request message. Or we can decide that all events that happens in the system, I would like to get a notification in my email. We have also some subtypes of events, like the billing process, updating process, etc. And we can now decide whether if the notification will come when I send the event, yes or no. In this case, I do not want. And when some event or some notification is relevant for me. In this case, notify when the event sent to me and when they sent as a copy to me. The action will be to send email in this case. And here I can set my email address. For example, input some remarks, and in this case, each event that happens in the system will be sent to me by the mail. We have another option of administrative in the Entity tab, Update, Details, in the Trader tab, and on the Customer tab.